How long does a divorce take in Texas really depends. If you have an agreement with your spouse on everything, all the disputed issues, then you can get divorced as quickly as 2.5 months. And that's because Texas has a mandatory 60-day waiting period. So once you file the petition, you must wait 60 days. But as soon as we're done waiting, you can have everything ready and you can get divorced in 2.5 months. So the first step is to file a petition for divorce. And if it's an uncontested divorce, you would then prepare for a waiver of service. If it's not uncontested, then you would prepare to get citation and get the other spouse served. Then you have to give them the mandatory waiting period time for them to either retain a lawyer or file an answer. And once that's done, we can either have a hearing or we would schedule a mediation. After you've gone through the litigation process, some cases may require discovery, some cases may require mediation, and some cases just the attorneys may be able to exchange offers for settlement and resolve the issue. We prepare, if we have an agreement or we have a binding mediated settlement agreement, we prepare the final orders. We go to court, and usually we can do a quick prove-up hearing or prove up the divorce by an affidavit. As you prepare for your divorce or while the divorce is pending, it's important to gather up financial records, financial documents that many times people don't have in their possessions or they've forgotten where they are. So it's not a bad idea to start gathering, your bank statements, your tax returns, property documents, any credit card statements. If you have children and custody is going to be an issue, then it's not a bad idea to have, school records for the kids, medical records for the kids, anything that'll be important, photos, and any other things that shows your involvement with the children. So mediation in Texas is pretty much required by most of the courts, and oftentimes it's required prior to temporary orders and final orders. And mediation is a great process to help parties reach an agreement with the help of a neutral third party. And sometimes it's actually the best way to settle a case because parties can walk out of mediation with an agreement that fits their family and that they don't have to go to court and have a judge make decisions for their family. If you have any questions about what to expect when you're going through a divorce, call Kamal Law Firm.